Hello everyone, continuing with our previous lecture of LED. Now we are going to use a push button, that is a variable. So making connections, first of all 5 volt given to breadboard, ground given to breadboard. So we can take our power supplies from this breadboard itself. We will take a resistor of 10 kilo ohm, that is to be connected to the ground, and then we will insert 5 volt to this push button, and finally we are going to get our signal at digital read, second number of digital switch. So starting with the code, so our variable, I have created a variable push button. So set the push button to read digital pin 2. As I have provided connection of digital pin 2 to the push button, so we will read digital pin 2. So we can select here 2. Then we will go to if else statement, and we'll apply some control. So if the push button is high, equal to high, then our built-in LED, which is at number 13, should be high, else it should be low. So you can start the simulation. So now when the button will be pressed, our LED will blink to high, you can see. And you can do the quite opposite. If it is not pressed, it will be continuously on, and it will be off when button is pressed. So you can create logic and think logic and make from this code, make codes, and TinkerCad will help you converting this code to C++ code. We do have integer, we have setup. In setup we define input and output pins, and loop, our instruction which is to be provided to Arduino Uno.